NBI 64 was basically that NEA would acknowledge at the beginning of all convenings the Native people that this land was originated from. For me, as a Native Hawaiian Kanaka Maoli, it's important because we look to the Aina as our ancestors, our kupuna, and our direct connection to the land. So because of this foundation of love and respect to our kupuna, it's automatic that we acknowledge them wherever we are, but it's super important as Kanaka Maoli to show that respect and honor. Early in the morning, we meet as a caucus and we go over all the different new business items. So when I read upon new business item 64, I just had that feeling in my gut, my na'au, that this is something I feel passionate about. So the first thing I did was I looked within our delegation to see who shared that same passion. And first I approached the other Native Hawaiians, and we, as a little group of us, went to look for the maker, who is Marty from California. And out of respect, we said, you know, we're very interested in supporting you. Can you let us know what is your game plan? And he got the mic strategy paper to us. So we actually decided to flood the mics in support. I was worried about opposition, but because we didn't have any, it's just so nice to know that NEA has that love and respect for Native people. And sometimes we feel like we're invisible on a national scale, but to just have that beginning honor will set the stage that we do have Native people here that we should pay honor and respect to.